people. It's another lovely morning. It's church day, which means it's time to go fly. Looking like a beautiful one. I'm getting ready to head down south, meet up with a couple people. I don't know what the rain's looking like. The dog getting slower, I swear. I don't know what the rain's looking like today, but it should hold off till about noon. I don't have that many batteries anyway, so see what we can get into out here. I made it out here. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this morose mofo. Look, he made the vlog. Well, here we are out here again. Church, Sunday. We got Jacob riding a longboard. Josh trying to crash something. It's just a good one. Hot one, but a good one so far. So we out here, we getting some flights in. Josh testing some bad boy out. Let's see if we can't get it in the background. Woo! I think it's cool as hell. Looks like a day of repairs. I got a few extra batteries thanks to the man over here. Should be a lot of fun.
Punch lunch on the dot, 5 minutes to rock. So we do rock.
Bam! One more. There you go.
wraps it up for the day. Got a bunch of flying in, got to work on some knife edges. Gonna do a little bit of editing right now. Probably go hang out with some people. Enjoy the last bit of the weekend while it's here. Back to the grind tomorrow, but see you next time.